So today we're going to see how to host our Helm repository using GitHub. Let's create our first repository. Let's call it Lolo. We're going to add a README. Next step is to enable GitHub pages for our repository. So under settings, we're going to select the simple workflow and deploy from our main branch. Behind the scenes, actually, a workflow has been created and is being run. Now we can clone our repository. So if we do a git clone, our repository called Lolo, we're going to change into it, cd into it. We're going to create the following structure, meaning the charts directory and the package directory. We can create our first chart, so let's create under charts a simple chart called first. So if we take a look, now we have under charts our first chart, and of course we need to package our chart. So we're going to package our first chart in the packages directory. We have the tarball. If we go to packages now, we can create our index. So we're going to do a Helm repo index, and the important bit is the URL, which should look something like this. So it's going to be your GitHub username. In my case is Dejanu, and of course github.io, because we're using GitHub pages, and the name of the repository in our case is Lolo, and of course we need to specify the directory packages. Cool. Now we have everything in place, meaning if we take a look once more, we have charts containing our first chart. We package it as a tarball. We created the index. Now we can add everything and push it first chart, and now we can push it to remote. So we are using the main branch, right, the one that is running our workflow. So if we go under actions, we can see the second workflow has been triggered. Basically, as soon as this one finishes, we can add our Helm repository to our local machine and leverage the fact that GitHub code pages allows us to host our static content and serve it as well. So currently, if we do a Helm repo list, I have the following Helm repositories added to my machine. Now we can leverage GitHub. So this is our fully qualified domain name. As we can see, is the username github.io and the name of the repository. So coming back, we can do a git add, Helm repo add. Let's call it demo, and here we're going to paste the URL, and of course we have packages. Cool. Now we added our repository. If we do a Helm repo update demo, right, because this is how we call it, and now we can do a Helm search repo or Helm repo search. Helm search repo, and under demo repository we can see our first chart called first, and basically these are the steps to host your Helm repository using GitHub. Thank you.